There were a few times when I was alone with Srila Prabhupada in a room. It was really on the Bowery before 22nd to 26th Second Avenue manifested. I didn't know much about India, but I was thinking that I wanted to go there someday. I was about 24, 25 years old, and I had a photograph of an Indian person walking with Jawaharlal Nehru. And that was the only thing I knew about India. I sort of knew about Nehru, but I showed it to Srila Prabhupada. And unexpectedly, he started to say things about Nehru that were not very flattering, about how Nehru was a materialist. And then I realized that my hero, so to speak, was shot down by Srila Prabhupada. And then later on, he talked about Gandhi, and I knew that Prabhupada was a follower of Mohandas Gandhi in his early life before he was a devotee. But later on, he also decried Gandhi, and because he said that Gandhi worked all his life, most of his life anyway, for Hindu-Muslim unity. And after partition, there was a great deal of carnage. When the country was divided into Pakistan and Hindustan, and so a second hero was later on shot down, and I realized that unless one becomes Krishna conscious, no matter what kind of political activity one engages in or succeeds in, it is not sufficient to bring peace and harmony throughout the whole country or world. Hare Krishna.